Mary, do you have any experience working in the kitchen?
No, but I want to
In this
learn.
video,
I
you
work
will
hard
learn how
and
to add
cook a
auto
lot at
subtitles
home.
to your video in Kapwing Video Editor.
Tell me about
In
your job.
Kapwing Video Editor, you can add auto
Well,
highlighted
I love
subtitles,
to learn new things.
which can take your video
Very
editing to the next level.
And
To add subtitles in
I follow
Kapwing,
directions
first,
exactly.
import your video into the Kapwing Video Editor, then go to the Subtitles option. Here choose your video language. If you want to translate your video subtitles into another language, you can choose another language here. If you do not want to translate, then select No Translation. Now just click on the Auto Subtitles option, and the subtitles will be added to your video. Done.
Mary, do you have any experience working in the kitchen?
No, but I want to learn.
You can increase or decrease characters per subtitle using this slider. Besides this, you can animate your subtitles from this animation window. You can choose any animation like color, highlight, reveal, bounce, and paint animation.
I work hard and
And you can make other changes like color changes, etc. That's it, guys.
cook a lot
This
at
is
home.
how you can add auto subtitles to
Okay,
your
well, tell me
videos in
about
Kapwing
yourself.
Video Editor.
Well,
If you found this
I
video
love to
helpful,
learn
please
new
like this video
things.
and subscribe
I'm
to us for
very
more.
organized,
Thanks.
And I follow directions exactly. That's why my boss at my last job made me a trainer. And the company actually gave me a special... No, I don't think so, but I've heard